Okay guys, Swiss Moist Dilani Python Dinada Sana. You're welcome to this session. In this session, we are actually going to cover how you can convert an image to Grayscale using PIL in Python. In previous years or back in the days, I actually shared a tutorial on how you can read an image into black and white color. So this was specifically how you can convert an image into grayscale by using OpenCV. But it's actually now a time to check out the alternative to OpenCV, which is PIL. PIL can actually do the same as what OpenCV does. Okay, so this is actually going to be the coverage of this session. So if it's the first time for you to watch out this channel, don't forget don't forget to subscribe so as you can be timely updated once we upload a new video on every Tuesday. Okay, so here I have a sample image which we are actually going to convert it. So we are actually going to convert this image into grayscale. So that's all about. So before we proceed, make sure that you have PIL installed in your computer, and you can actually do this by running a command pip install PIL or pip3 install PIL. Is actually depending on which version of Python you're using. So the first thing we are doing is, after installation of PIL, is to import the PIL so as we can start using it. So we can say from PIL import image. Import image. Okay, as normal as usual, before we actually process an image or process a file, we actually need it to open. So we can say open an image. Okay, we are going to store it in a variable input image. Then after image dot open, put brackets dot jpg. Okay, after opening an image, it's a time to convert an image. So convert image to grayscale. We actually need to convert image into grayscale so as we can do a better image processing. Okay, so that's in case you don't know why do we convert the image into grayscale. It is to enable a better processing or better pre-processing of an image and the extraction of features and so on. So grayscale is the input image dot convert, put a bracket capital L. Okay, so after converting an image, you can actually save the image. Grayscale image. Okay, but if you are actually proceeding with other processing of image, you can use this object to refer to your image converted into grayscale. So here we can say grayscale.save. Bracket. So this was Python logo before conversion to grayscale. So here we're going to say this is Python after. Okay, that's cool. So let us run our cell and see what happened. Okay, so if we get back here, you can see we have successfully converted this image into grayscale by using PIL in Python. So this actually sums up the end of this session, but I would like to see more comment below the video. How do you handle conversion of an image to grayscale? What is your best experience, and so on? What are the other features which are better which other features are better to do in image processing so as we can actually obtain the best quality, the best feature extraction, the best extraction of content from an image. What is your experience on image processing? Which tricks do you use to make the image pre-processing super cool and amazing? So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Before I end up close up this session, let me thank you in 8 different international languages. Thank you so much. Asante sana. Muchas gracias. Muito obrigado. Merci beaucoup. Kamsa hamida. Aita. Danke. Thank you so much. I hope to see you in my coming tutorials. Keep on watching, guys. Enjoy it.